three times. Om Ahum, Om Ahum, Om Ahum. Om Sarva Tathagata Saparivara Argam Patista Puja Meka Samundra Saparana Ahum. Could a persons offer that means of every of the Sanskrit phrases in the flowing water offering mantra? That's a great one. Did you get that of invocations by using any chants? I consider that prayer is at an all Mahayana Buddhism use this mantra Nyingma, Kagyu, Sakya, and Gelu. No longer that's make a whole lota distinction or whatever. I cannot provide a translation, but I think Tathagata means awakening ones. Argam is drinking water. I like to recognize what it translates to as well. I marvel of there a mudra that accompanies it. The 8 services Argam, Padam, Pusbe, Dhube, Alge, Khende, Naivedya, and Sapta. Every have their one mudra. When I installation offering, I repeat Om Ahum, Om Ahum, Om Ahum with every offerings. Saparivara, retinue, Argam, drinking water, Pratishta, acquire, Puja, presenting, Mega, cloud, Samundra, ocean, Safarana, spirits.